Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lainey. I feel like I look really different. I got bangs. That's all I have to say about that. So today we're going to be filming a video. I had you guys send me outfits that you feel like are just a little bit off, or you're not comfortable wearing them, or something about it just isn't right or what you want. And I'm going to tell you how I would like fix them or restyle them, or what I would do to make them work if there's anything. So it's kind of like rating my subscribers' outfits, not with outfits that like you like and think are a 10, because why would I want to tell you I don't like an outfit if you already like it? So that's it. So all these people sent me their outfits on Instagram, and I obviously had a lot more, so I can totally do this kind of video again for you guys if you want. Or if you like just the pieces where I style them all on my own, let me know. Okay, we're trying something a little different. So let's just start with the first outfit I was sent, I guess. I think this was the first outfit I was sent. I don't know if they want their faces in it, so I'm not gonna keep it in there the whole time because I just don't wanna like make anyone uncomfortable. I think this top and these shorts are adorable, and they definitely go together in my opinion. What shoes would I do with this? Can you guys guess? I think some black cowboy boots would be cute though. Let's like add some, no, I hate these short ones, ew. Let's try and add black in here. Do you think that's crazy? I think it's gonna work and it's gonna be cute. I just don't want to do something like basic, because like white tennis shoes, yeah, but then it's like almost too preppy. I mean, cowboy boots are kind of preppy too, but... And then I want to add... You guys have known my obsession. This is what I'm going to end up adding to every single outfit. Is a Birkin basket. I feel like you guys are going to hate this and immediately like click off my video if you're new here. But I swear they don't normally look like this. Like, I feel like I'm kind of being a little obnoxious with this outfit. I don't know. I think it's pretty cute, and it takes it from being like just a super preppy basic, because this top is so cute, but like just a preppy outfit into, I like it. Okay, you know what I would do too is, can I tell you guys how to do your hair? Hair like that. It's cute. And then just some black sunglasses. Let's go on Essence, because they tend to have like really good sunglasses, and sometimes they're expensive, but if you just do, okay, there's outfit number one. We started with the center, and that is how I would style it. I think it's cute and fun and different. Add page. Next outfit. Okay, so I got like a lot of people. This one's not the girl who sent it. She just sent like an outfit like that. And then we got another one like this with the baggy t-shirt and midi skirt. And so let's just look at the one of the actual subscriber, or crop her face out because I'm so mean and rude. She sent me this outfit, and I'm pretty sure she said something was missing, because I was like, nothing's missing, this is so cute. And same as the other outfit. I love a black midi skirt with a baggy top. I love that she added the print with this checker bag. You guys know I have a super similar one to this, or maybe it's the same one, I'm not sure. And then the white sneakers, like practical, comfortable. I think it's so cute. I wouldn't change a single thing about this outfit. I think it's also really cute that if this was like the daytime look, you could really easily take this to nighttime, add like a smaller shoulder bag or like a leather bag, and either, I would add knee-high boots, honestly, and even with like the baggy t-shirt, I think it's so cute. So literally 10 out of 10. She sent this, and I have nothing more to say about it. It's perfect. Okay, we've got someone else in a midi skirt. I'm pretty sure she wanted to style this midi skirt, and so we can either change the top and change, I'm definitely gonna change the shoes. I'm sorry, Birkenstocks aren't my thing. And I know she wanted the midi skirt. Honestly, the top is really cute with it. I'm not like big on halter tops myself, but I think it looks good. The bag looks good. Like, her outfit was already good. Super cute, but if she wants a different way of styling it, like, she had it more casual. Should we keep casual? Let's keep it casual. So my favorite shoes with a midi skirt are Sambas, and with this one, let's add black Sambas. And then I always like Sambas with a crew sock. I love just putting white socks on here. I don't know why it's so funny to me. Okay, do we want to keep this top? Let's go on Urban and kind of just see. I'm pretty sure that top's from Urban, so it made me think I want to just like look on Urban for a top for her. It'd be so cool if I could buy these things for you guys and send them to you. What is this? That's so fun. Okay, this could be a really fun top. This, I think, could be a really fun top with that floral skirt. It's kind of, I don't know, it just adds like a more sporty element to it. I don't know. I feel like she would hate this. I'm sorry if you hate this. But I think that this would be like a really cool top to add with it. And you've already got your like tank top going. I think if you want to like spice it up, we should add something just a little more crazy. Oh, I like that a lot more. I was so like down to keep the top she had on too because I thought it was cute. It is cute, but I'm liking how this looks. Okay, and then to tie in the cream or the beige or whatever, we could add a Birkin basket. I'm not gonna add a Birkin basket. Let's look at the, no, I kind of want canvas. Aw, I like this bag too. I want like a canvas tote bag. Cute. This one, I don't know why the red one always pops up because it's black stitching now, but I'm just using the picture. It's the same thing. Cute. I feel like this ties in that beige. And then like we could add sunglasses, but sometimes I'm just taking too long. So that's how I'd style your midi skirt. I hope you like it. Okay, I remember this girl saying that she just felt like this outfit looked basic, and I'm pretty sure she said she lives somewhere where she doesn't want to stand out too much. I think the first thing I would change are the shoes. If we're just gonna, like, we're trying to make it not look so basic, and basic is fine. I don't have an issue with it. So let's add a closed-toe kitten heel, because this looks like a night out outfit. I want a pointed toe kitten heel. You know what we're gonna use, because I can't find any I like? The ones that I bought myself. So just like text me and I'll let you borrow them. You guys, I'm so slow at this. I'm so sorry. We're adding heels. The next thing, I think like the bra top is really cute underneath. But I think if you want to make it a little bit more chic, having it match the color of your blouse. The blouse looks like a silk, like a white silk to me. It looks satiny. I could be wrong. So maybe like a white lace top underneath, or like a bustier top underneath. Also, you guys just know, like, a crop top isn't necessarily something I'd wear ever, but I think the bra top is cute, and I'm kind of like doing this how I would wear it. So let's look at white tops from Urban, because I don't know, I don't have one like exactly in my head that I want, but I think like another texture would be really good with the silk. This is what you're missing, Miss Girly. You need some color in this outfit. Not need. You can do whatever you want. I don't know, I just don't want to come like across like I don't like these outfits. I literally screenshotted them all because I was like, oh, these are really good like bases to work off of. And I thought they were cute. Okay, and then just to add to our like color palette, we're gonna add a colored bag. Okay, Versa Bag is an Etsy shop. She hand makes all these bags, real leather and grease. I have 3 of them now. They're literally the best quality bags ever. They're like designer dupes, but they don't have like, you know, a big gaudy label on them, or like a fake label. She recently came out with this blue, but now I feel like the shoes wouldn't match. But like this blue, oh my god, we're gonna have to find different shoes, because this is such a cute night out bag. This is literally the bag I have. It's hanging up here. I just don't feel like grabbing it. Absolutely, like that is so fun. Let's change these shoes because they don't match. Okay, I thought I wanted black, but I think that these honestly are going to go better with the outfit. Or I thought I wanted a color, but I think that this is just like what's gonna work. That's what we've got going on. I'm not obsessed with the shoes, but I just cannot find a pair that are what I want. Like another metallic shoe would be amazing, and I want a kitten heel, a pointed toe kitten heel, but I think the black would definitely work, and it's a little bit more believable and relatable that you have those things. That's what we're gonna do. This girl said she just thought something was missing with the denim on denim. Nothing is missing. This is so cute. I don't know what shoes you have on, but honestly, you can't really go wrong. I think like a sneaker, a loafer, anything is just really cute. Boots, whatever, is adorable. This denim on denim look is so cute. I love that pop of color red bag, and honestly, your yellow phone like goes with the outfit too, and I think it looks really, really good. So I don't know what you're talking about. Nothing's missing. Okay, we're gonna do one more because these take me forever and I don't know which one I want to do. This girl sent her outfit. I'm gonna keep her face in because she's got sunnies on. And I think she said the same thing, that she just thought, I mean, that was like the whole premise of what I wanted you guys to send me. She just said that she felt like something was missing in this outfit, that it felt really boring once she took the photos in it. I honestly think it looks so chic, and your hair is beautiful. I would die for your hair. It's so pretty. If you wanted to spice this outfit up a little more, adding like a lime green shoulder bag or like a pop of color shoulder bag would be really cute. I love that you don't have black shoes on. I love the like camel color shoes. And I see, I don't know if this was on purpose, but the purse also has this camel color. So I don't know if like it's in your head to, you know, match the shoes to the purse. But I really like the like color blocking of a different shoe color from your purse color and like kind of mix matching that. So yeah, I think a lime green purse, like I have the one from, it's literally right there and I don't feel like grabbing it, so one of these purses. The blue, I hate pop-ups. These are so fun. The chain is so adorable. I have this lime green one. I'm not saying go out and buy this purse, but I don't really know a lot of purses and I have this one, so any of these like colors are so fun and I think would take your outfit like to not so like boring. It's not boring, but that's what she described it as, boring on photos, I'm pretty sure. I think that will take it to the next level. Last outfit we're gonna do. So she said that she had this outfit in mind and when she put it on, it just like wasn't giving. Super cute. I love this top with the little cutout. I love this color. The trousers are adorable. And I totally get what she means when you have all these cute pieces and you put them together and you're like, something is off. Let's keep the top and the pants. And we're gonna add different shoes and a different purse, and we're just gonna show how much we can change this. I don't wanna do black boots. I wanna do a colored boot. Let's go on, honestly, like Revolve might have them. I'm gonna try and make the black pants work, but I feel like that's what's throwing me off. Like if we made those black pants tan, can I just like color them in tan? I think that would help. I don't want to change everything though. I want to keep the pants. I don't want to change the pants or the top. I want to try and work around those. So let's look at purses. Let's see what Revolve purses has. Like a tan bag could work. Maybe let's make it more summery with like a, this might be a good move, like one of these. I feel like we need some texture, so I'm leaning towards like one of these. This might bring in the orange, or it might be too much orange, so let's see. Okay, something like this could be fun. I don't know what this bag is. It's kind of awful in the best way. It just caught my attention and I feel this just saved my life. This bag just saved my life. It has black, it has color, it has orange, it doesn't have green, but that bag just saved my life. Do you guys see what I mean? That bag just saved everything. So cute. That bag saved everything because it has black in it and it brings in the black pants, because those black pants were really throwing me off. Okay, wait, I'm gonna crop out her little feet. Sorry, but okay. And because I feel like, I don't know if this was a night out look, but that's what it felt like to me. I feel like you could add, you know, black sunglasses, but I thought this was a night out look. And I think with that top, she has beautiful hair, but we're missing that cutout. I think I would do a slicked bun, you know, and just pull everything back. I'm gonna try and find a picture of that because I feel like I didn't do much with this outfit. But that outfit was honestly the hardest. Clean girl bun, because that's what everybody and their mother knows it as. There! I'm actually really happy with how this outfit turned out. Yay! Okay, so we only have 4 outfits. We really went all over the place. Here's 1, here's 2, here's 3, and here's 4. I'm really happy with them. They all look really different. This video, literally I've been filming for an hour because these take me so long. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know which outfit was your favorite and if there was anything where you were like, Lainey, what the heck? That looks awful, because I'd love to know. I've really been liking making these like sit down mood board outfits because it's just less consumption. I don't have to buy a bunch of clothes to show you a bunch of different outfits. It's just all virtual. So it's super cool. And I also wanted to say thank you so much to everyone who DM'd me their outfits. I wouldn't be able to film this video without you guys. As you can see, I still had a lot more outfits, so let me know if you guys want a part 2. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I will see you in a few days. Bye.